Hello friends, today I am going to unbox newly launched Do Home wireless Wi-Fi connection. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming review video of this device. This can be purchased either online or nearest Do store and only Emirates ID required. While purchasing this device, no need to pay any amount and also you have 7 days trial period. After 1 month, you need to pay the bill, that is 199 AED per month. Within 1 year of contract period, if you are cancelling the connection, you need to pay 21 dirhams device cost plus 1 month bill as a penalty. Please look at the formula of the penalty which I am showing in the video. The promotional monthly payment of AED 199 will be for 12 months only. After that, it will be 299 AED. Please check below link in the description for more details. This is a 4G LTE router which comes along with 2 SIM card with unlimited data and the internet speed will be 100 Mbps. This is a plug and play setup internet connectivity which can be activated instantly and there is no landline required for this connection. Inside the box, we will get D-Link router, 1 SIM card, power adapter and a cable. Follow the instructions shown in the video to set up the router. Thank you for watching the video and support us by hitting the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel.